Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we have, I think, $23 here. We're gonna roll the dice and contribute to 6 of my emergency fund categories. So let's go ahead and count this. Make sure, I think I've got 23 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yeah, so $23. So if you saw my closeout video, you would have seen that yesterday. Man, I did really well closing my budget out, but then I don't remember what I was doing. I think I was putting my binders in the safe, and I realized I had this money in the challenges binder that was just sitting there, and I totally forgot to allocate it. So you're seeing this on Friday, which is my payday. Really exciting. So you won't see my cash envelope stuffing until Saturday. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and get into it. You didn't come here to hear me yap. Okay, termite, pest control, electric, spending, car insurance, and recycling. These are the categories that, whoops, sorry about that. There we go. These are the categories we're contributing to. All right, so we roll the dice, and then we've got a 1, we've got 2 2s, a 4, and then 2 6s. So we're gonna add $1 to each one. So 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 1 for 4, and then 2 for 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's roll again. So we have 2 number 1s, 2 number 4s, a number 5, and a number 6. So 2 goes to number 1, 2 goes to number 4, 1 for 5, 1 for 6. Maybe number 3 will get some love. Oh, there we go. So here's a 2. Oh my gosh. A 3. 3 4s. Holy moly. 4 is on fire today. And 1 5. So 1 for 2, 1 for 3, 1, 2, 3 for number 4, and 1 for 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 left. So we're only going to roll 5 dice. So we have a number 1, a number 2, 2 number 4s, holy cow, and then 1 number 5. So 1 for number 1, 1 for number 2, 2 for 4, and 1 for 5. Could I just go ahead and stuff $23 in one envelope and call it good? Yes, I could, but is that as fun as rolling the dice? Not hardly, not even a little bit. I really like doing the dice. I think it just kind of, I like the randomness of it. So, all right. So we're going to count all this and total it up. All right. So let me grab a pen and let's see how much we saved in each one. All right. So number 1 is termite. And we saved $1, $2, $3, $4. So that makes 14. What was it? Number 4 is the one that got all the love. I can't wait to see how much is in that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I must have skipped $1. All right, so 14 so far in termite. And then number 2 is pest control. And we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Funny, this one has 14 as well. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, number 3 is the electric bill. It got $1. Just one, so that one has 12 now. That's funny. Just one little bitty dollar. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I guess $1 is better than 0. Okay, then this is the one that, oh, spending was number 4. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So that gives us 16. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then number 5 is car insurance. 1, 2, 3. And so that gives me 6. This one doesn't have nearly as much money as the others do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always got to double check, you know, make sure I've got in here what I expect. All right, so that's that. And then the last one is recycling, and this one is getting 1, 2, 3. So that gives us 8. All right, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that is it for the little tiny challenges. I was doing the little tiny challenge cards, but I thought, you know what, let's just skip the middle part and just do it in the actual envelopes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope that you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.